Hello.
Welcome to our new series, Linux Command Line from Scratch. Here, we'll explore the world of Linux and its command line interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this series will help you master the basics and beyond. So, let's get started. Linux is an open-source operating system that's free to use, modify, and distribute. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 and has since become one of the most popular operating systems in the world. Linux is known for its stability, security, and flexibility, making it a favorite among developers and power users. The Linux command line is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with your system using text-based commands. It's a fundamental part of the Linux ecosystem and is used by many users to manage their systems, automate tasks, and troubleshoot issues. In this series, we'll explore the Linux command line from scratch. We'll cover the basics, such as navigating the command line, using basic commands, and managing files and directories. We'll also dive deeper into more advanced topics, such as scripting, automation, and troubleshooting. At Main VPS, we understand the importance of a reliable and affordable hosting solution. That's why we offer a range of hosting plans, including web hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, and virtual private servers. Our hosting plans are designed to meet the needs of users of all levels, from beginners to experienced developers. So, why choose Main VPS? We offer competitive pricing, 24/7 customer support, and a range of features that make it easy to manage your hosting needs. Plus, our virtual private servers are highly customizable, giving you the flexibility to tailor your hosting solution to your specific needs. So, if you're interested in learning more about Linux and the command line, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.